Hey folks, thanks for stopping by Austin Credit Group's website. We are your credit improvement specialist. What we do here makes the credit repair industry look like they're sitting on their hands. Let me explain. In credit improvement, we are direct to clients only. The world does not know we are in your business. We provide the tools to the client to battle creditors and credit bureaus. We attack all derogatory items and inaccurate info at the same time. We're usually done in 4 months, and our fees are time and performance based. The people in the credit repair industry, they operate direct to bureaus on the client's behalf. There is no accountability, and they only attack a few derogatory items each month. They typically have setup and monthly fees. It's a subscription program. They have a terrible reputation, and they operate month to month until you fire them. Please give us a call at 512-697-9784. Give us a chance to talk to you about how we can help you improve your credit scores as quickly as possible. My name is Steve Gange. I'm with Austin Credit Group. Make it a great day.